Welcome to this in-depth review of World Finance, a platform dedicated to helping individuals improve their credit scores and gain access to personal loans. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of using World Finance as a credit builder service. World Finance specializes in offering personal loans tailored to individuals who want to build or rebuild their credit. The website provides a straightforward application process that can be completed online or in person. After signing up, you're immediately directed to a clear and user-friendly dashboard, which displays your loan options and repayment schedule in a well-organized manner. The platform also emphasizes education by providing tools and resources to help users understand their credit better. One standout feature is the flexibility in loan repayment terms. World Finance offers short and long-term repayment options to fit various financial needs. The loan amounts are generally smaller, which is ideal for credit building without overwhelming debt. However, interest rates are slightly higher than traditional loans, reflecting the focus on users with less than perfect credit. The platform also reports payments to major credit bureaus, a critical factor in building your credit score over time. Another feature worth mentioning is their excellent customer support. You can reach out via phone, email, or even visit their local branches. Their representatives are known for providing personalized assistance and walking you through the entire loan process. This personal touch makes World Finance a more approachable option for those who might feel intimidated by online-only services. In terms of security, the platform employs standard encryption protocols to ensure your personal and financial information remains safe. Their website is easy to navigate, and the FAQ section addresses common concerns about loan qualifications, repayments, and credit building benefits. A potential drawback for some users might be the relatively high APR compared to competitors. It's essential to read the terms carefully before signing any agreement. However, for individuals who need a stepping stone to establish or improve their credit, World Finance offers a reliable pathway. Overall, my experience with World Finance has been positive, primarily due to its transparency and customer-focused approach. Whether you're starting fresh with no credit history or recovering from past financial mistakes, World Finance could be a valuable tool in your journey to better financial health. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights into financial tools. See you in the next video.